If you've got kids, pets, or maybe you're just a little messy like me, what you need are the exact contour floor liners from Husky Liner. Mud, rain, dirt, and snow can wreck the floors of your ride. With the exact contour floor liners, your carpet will stay looking new and clean. The exact contour floor liners are designed using lasers. This gives each liner a vehicle-specific fitment, and the form-fit design will give you peace of mind that when you buy them, they will fit with no trouble. Not only are they form-fitting, but they also have stay-put cleats to keep them from sliding or shifting when stepping in or out of your ride. These cleats will work with cloth or vinyl floors. As an additional safety measure, the exact contour liners attach to the factory retention post to double down on them not sliding around. They are made from a rubberized DuraGrip material. That means they're designed to take a beating from shoes, tools, bags, spills, toys, food, boxes, and just about anything else you want to throw at them. They can be cleaned easily, just take them out, spray them down, no trouble. But they are a comfortable place to rest your feet after a long day on the job site. And there's a heel pad to rest your foot when driving for added comfort. These premium liners are a great addition to any truck or SUV. If you are interested in the exact contour floor liners from Husky Liners, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. And check back for new videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.